Hey guys, it's Jenny again. So this video is just basically about how to really be involved while you're at BYU, because I know that a lot of times when you get into BYU, you're focused on academics because you have to get in this certain major at a certain time, and it's just kind of tricky. But honestly, as you get involved, that's what makes your BYU experience. So that's what I want to talk about. So the first thing that you can do is to do BYU USA. So BYU USA is basically kind of like a student body, like student body like they had in high school. And so they have different clubs that you can be a part of. They kind of run a bunch of different events on campus. And so depending upon what you want to do, you can be involved. I remember I was a part of like the Make-A-Wish committee or something. But it's just really fun. Especially that like kind of leads on to the next thing is clubs. And they have so many clubs based on like salsa dancing or like ping pong or whatever it is that you like. They have a club for it. Especially as you start to get into a certain major, you're going to want to sign up for a club with that major, because almost every major has their own club, and that enables you to, I don't know, have a little leg up in a resume. It looks really good on your resume. And so doing that is awesome. The next thing that I want to just kind of put a plug in for is YServe. YServe is an awesome service organization that they have on BYU. It's actually about 90 different programs that are paired up with community organizations, community nonprofit organizations around campus, around Utah Valley. And depending upon your time, like your time commitment, what you want to do, you can volunteer to be like a PD, which is like a program director over a program, or just like volunteer within the program. They have a ton of different options. So whether you like, tutoring special needs, or, cleaning up the community, or helping sing to old folks' homes, or like donating hair for cancer research, whatever it is. Like they have so many different options. And so just being involved through YServe, it's part of BYU's aims to enter, learn, and go forth to serve. So I feel like that's an awesome way for you to be involved. The next thing that they have is, I know that they have a bunch of different offices depending upon what you're involved or what you want to be involved in. So they have like a women's resource center. So this is like they host different campaigns, like the BU campaign. They deal with pornography, eating disorders, just a lot of different options. So depending upon what you like, you can be involved with that way. Also, they have like a pre-dental, pre-law, pre-med office. It's like all combined into one. I don't actually know what they do, simply because like I'm a business major, and so I don't know about that. But you should check it out, because that's another great way to be involved. As well as just being involved within your ward and just getting to know the people around you. There's always so many cool people at BYU. So honestly, I would just say make the most of it. And I know that like you're not going to remember those hard tests that you took or even the material in the class, but you're going to really remember those experiences that you had through YServe or BYU USA or whatever it may be. So I just encourage you guys to do that, and I hope that makes your BYU experience so much better. So yeah, peace out.